One customer was talking about the fact that they picked us from 80 different competitors. Another one from 10 to 1 and from 20 to 1. We know we're in a highly competitive market and landscape, but that sector verticalization and the breadth of our portfolio serving those 7 sectors is the reason why we are different and we add value to the UK and the global economy and where we operate.
All the way from the hosting, physical infrastructure, all the way up to the data services, the unified experience, and the way the services sit on top of the platform. Security has been designed with that in mind. So we haven't just stuck a veneer over the top, we've stood back, redesigned the platform to work in an integrated fashion. So it's secure by design, it will scale as customers' use of the platform scales. We've also designed on the back end more simplified automated operations. And when something like AI comes along and matures, which it has in the last 6 months, we're able to plug that in really quickly. So you're going to see innovation come through quite quickly because we now have the platform in place. So the data's available, identity's available, the experience is available, and we're now just dropping in literally the AI services that are then going to unlock AI capability in our product.